How to find out if my Facebook password got leaked. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and here's how you can check if your Facebook password has been compromised. So first of all, you can use the Have I Been Pwned on your phone. So open a web browser like Chrome or Safari. Now simply search for haveibeenpwned.com, hit enter. From its official page, simply go ahead and enter your email address that you use for Facebook. Now tap on check, and the site will show if your email has been involved in any data breaches, including the Facebook leaks. You can also check if a specific password has been leaked by tapping the menu and selecting passwords, tapping the menu in the top right, and then go to passwords. Now, another method you can follow is use the Google Password Checkup, which is for Android. So if you save your Facebook login in your Chrome, go ahead and open your Chrome browser, tap on the three dots in the top right, and then scroll down and go to Settings. Now scroll down again and go to Google Password Manager. And here you will see the list of apps or websites that you have saved your passwords for. And Google will scan your saved password for breaches, including your Facebook password. Now, another thing you can do is you can check the Facebook security settings. So for that, open your Facebook application, tap on the three lines in the top right, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Now tap on Password and Security in the Account Center. Tap on Where you're logged in the Security Check section, and you will see the list of location where you're logged in. If you see any unfamiliar devices, someone may have your password. So if you think your password got leaked, you can change your password immediately. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.